Hey, I'm Shin, and the placebo effect is when your mind thinks a fake thing is real.
It's like, hey, what did you do on the Friday? I created labels to fool my whole family that they were taking actual pills.
The placebo effect can be negative or positive depending on the user's beliefs. So I wanted to test and see if my family would experience the placebo effect. I purchased these empty capsules and empty pill containers from Amazon. I chose ground up oatmeal for this experiment. My family knows I'm into researching mushrooms, so I convinced them to try mushroom pills for better health. After my family agreed to participate, I had to finesse the details. Their dosage will be 2 pills per day. Here you see me filling up 240 pills in total. That's 4 times 60. Oh yeah, I'll be participating in this experiment too. The placebo effect works even if you know you're taking a placebo. The power of the placebo increases with quantity, so 2 pills should result in a larger effect than 1 pill. I sourced silica gels and packets to keep the pills fresh throughout the 30-day experiment. The color of the pills also matter. For example, a yellow pill is usually associated with happiness. So I chose a green color for these mushroom placebo pills, which subconsciously is associated with nature, a calm mood, basically aiming for an overall soothing, equalizing vibe. After cleaning each pill, they were ready to package. When designing the labels, I made sure to stay true to the organic feel of the mushrooms and use them in my background. I live in Canada, so I wrote all of the copy in English and French for good measure. I researched the mushroom scientific names and extraction techniques for the nutritional facts. For the brand name, I went with Fungi Universe. Now all I had to do was duplicate this template for the various pills. I went super creative with mine, calling it Ancient Magic for health and wealth.
Can't believe that this is real and it's happening. We have 3 labels, you guys. They look freaking epic.
It was hitting me really hard right about now that I was about to lie to my entire family.
This is real. This is happening. Oh man.
I could lose their trust forever.
Whew.
Like a person with no backup plan, I printed only 1 copy of each label. I left no room for mistakes.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
I used the labels from my pills as the trial. I wanted to laminate each label to have them appear high quality. If my family thought the pills were poorly manufactured, it could affect the experiment negatively. All right, we're in the big leagues now.
Oh no, it's crooked.
Don't pull back.
Oh no.
Is it gonna make it?
I don't know.
We made it. Ta-da! All 3 labels! It was pretty easy to stick the labels on, and I love how it turned out. They look super professional.
You want the lot number? It's right here. You want the expiry date? Oh, it's right here too. Capsules per day? I got you, boo. Naturally sourced. Don't even worry about it. Except for this plastic bottle. That's not naturally sourced, but...
Presenting to you my placebo babies. Let the experiment begin. My sister will be taking a combination of chaga and reishi to help with energy, mood, and aiding metabolism. My dad is taking turkey tails to stabilize diabetes and aid digestion.
Reishi.
My mom is taking reishi pills to stabilize blood pressure, heart rate, and lower stress.
So excited.
Over the course of 30 days, I'll be visiting my family each week to collect data and talk about their experiences. For my mom, I'll be recording her blood pressure, stress level, and heart rate. For my sister, I'm recording her mood, energy, and weight. For my dad, I'm recording his blood sugar levels, a qualitative digestion score, and weight as well.
Frankly speaking, I don't see any difference. First day or the second day, I little have insomnia, but now it is fine.
On the very first day, I had some digestive issues, but that was only for a day.
My mood has been slightly better, especially when I switched the medication to like daytime. I felt my mood was a bit better for longer as opposed to taking it at nighttime, and I feel like I have more energy for things, definitely, for sure. Yeah, it could be a placebo effect, so I don't know, we'll see.
Right. Totally.
I'm not seeing much difference, but maybe I'm having little more energy. I'm not feeling tired. I think 10% more energy than before.
I think it's the same. So far, I have no comment, to be very frank.
There were like weeks when my heart rate was pretty high. I could feel out of breath all the time because I was constantly anxious.
Right.
So that state of mind has gone down significantly.
Whatever I said before, like I'm more energetic, I don't feel lethargic, or nothing new to add here.
No, nothing noticeable change, nothing.
What do you think about your digestion overall?
I think it's okay now. There's no other issue.
As you can see, there are some inconsistencies between the data and the verbal reflections of the experience.
I've been feeling pretty good. I've been getting a lot of new ideas as well in my current project. So I've been feeling very energized mentally as well. Yeah. I don't know. I've been considering like ordering the pills for myself. Okay, so I have been thinking a lot about it. I don't know whatever changes have happened in my life there because the pills were not. But I am eating more healthy now, and I have been into the mindset of doing more exercise. So I'm definitely going back into like the gym again. I would say though, I felt I was way more creative while I was taking the pills, but then that could also be related to the energy.
No, my blood sugar also fluctuated. I don't think this pill really helped. I was thinking that this may be a too short a period of 30 days to see effect on the long-term chronic diseases like diabetes. I don't think any medicine can have a significant effect on a long-term disease like this.
My stress level has gone down because of this pill. Then I'm happy. I don't want to be dependent on a pill. I don't think it is healthy at all.
Yeah.
It's better if I can, and I am also looking forward to doing more exercise, going out for walk, introduce those positive effect in my life.
Yeah, so in a way there were no like real high stakes for you. Like
No.
across the many placebo studies that I've read, the patients who see the most drastic results are the ones that have an urgent health condition that they're trying to solve. In a way, the more you want change, the more you will be an enabler to that change.
Thank you so much for being a part of the experiment.
Thank you for inviting me to be a part of the experiment.
For sure, yeah.
I'm going to conclude by saying this was by far the coolest thing I have ever done in my life. So if you're still here watching this, I want to thank you for being a part of the experience. How will you leverage the power of placebo in your life? So when I tried to take the pills, I saw an improvement on both health and wealth metrics, but I am positively biased. Well, keep exercising your mind, and I will see you in the next video.
That's